Right guys, it is 7:39 a.m. now and I just got up a couple of minutes ago. Just wanted to give this news to all of you who watched my video yesterday and who really put in their positive thoughts that my listing got activated finally. Like I said in the previous video, the associate I spoke to the night before had actually marked the agent who was directly working on this case. It was a female, and the manager as well. I think that really pushed the boundaries, and I think that just forced them to just wrap the case up, because I had provided everything that they needed, but they were just stalling for no reason. So yeah, it worked. I just wanted to let you know, and let me just show you my Amazon seller app right now. Okay, whoa, okay. I was never happy to see so few orders ever before. Right, let me just show you. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Yeah, so I don't know, I hope you can see that. That's 13 orders yesterday, out of which I think 11 of them are for the main product, which got blocked, and now it's back online. So yeah, when it got back online, my rank started way back, I think around 93,000. But I clearly asked the associate I spoke to in the very end, before I kept the call, that I told them that my rank was way below. It was about 4,500 in the main category when it was active a few days back, which was 7 days back. So I told them, will it normalize back to where it was? And he told me, yeah, fine, it'll probably normalize to where it was approximately in the next 24 to 48 hours. So I'm gonna wait that up. I'm gonna be a little more aggressive on my marketing, and I'm gonna see what happens. So yeah, that is one quick update. Thank you all for all the good wishes and your support. It really means a lot. I think each and every one of you who wished that this would work out, it did help. It did make a difference to me. And from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank all of you. I really appreciate each and every one who's been watching me, who's been helping me, and who's been supporting me in this and the entire entrepreneurship journey that has been going on. Anyways, so that is all. I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna discuss that. Do you see that? Those are the names of the people. I believe that's more than 20 names. Those are the names of the people who actually work inside of Amazon, who I tried to contact through email, through Facebook, through Instagram. I got really aggressive with me trying to contact these people, because I really wanted some help from inside to get my listing activated before the Black Friday. And now that it has happened, I'm gonna tell everybody whom did I contact, how did I get their email addresses. So this I'm gonna tell you, because I want you all to know to what extent you need to go when you are in trouble in something like this. Okay, as an entrepreneur, you have to figure it out yourself. You have to figure out the solutions. You have to build your own path. You're not going to get some direct help very easily most of the times. You might be lucky enough to have the right people in the right network at the very moment, but if you don't, you have to really, move mountains. And that's what I've been doing for the last 7 days. I think it did not help much. I think it just happened because I was continuously pursuing the seller support and the captive team. But yeah, I think if it would have taken any longer, I would have certainly gotten any response from all of those people, any one of those people. I actually got some responses on LinkedIn. Yeah, I use LinkedIn as well. So I got really shady out there. So yeah, I'm gonna discuss all of that and a lot more in the coming videos. I hope you keep watching. Thank you all for your support once again. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day. Enjoy your Black Friday. I'm gonna get to work because I need to make a lot of creatives for marketing campaigns and update my listing and everything. So yeah, let's get back to work. Let's get hustling. Enjoy the year end. All right, ciao.